Today is Saturday, December 15th. The time is 1:15 p.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2012 Rookies and Stars Longevity Break, break number 1. Good luck, everybody. Michael Vick, Eagles. Tavares Jackson, Seahawks. Seahawks rookie, Bruce Irvine. Travis Benjamin, Browns rookie. Broncos, Eric Decker. Giants, Victor Cruz. Jordy Nelson, Packers. Redskins, rookie, Kirk Cousins. Buccaneers, Levante David. Texans, Arian Foster. Redskins, Pierre Garçon. Jets, Plaxico Burress. Greatest Hits, Charles Woodson. Packers, Vikings, rookie, Greg Childs. Cardinals, Larry Fitzgerald. Ravens, Joe Flacco. Titans, Nate Washington. Patriots, statistical standouts, Rob Gronkowski. Colts rookie, Chandler Harnish. Bills, Ryan Fitzpatrick. Greg Olsen, Carolina Panthers. Rex Grossman, Redskins. Chargers, Ryan Matthews. Ryan Lindley, Cardinals rookie. Brian Cushing, Texans. Peyton Hillis, Chiefs. Chargers, Phillip Rivers. Cardinals, Larry Fitzgerald. Bengals rookie, Marvin Jones. Chiefs, Dwayne Bowe. Vikings, Adrian Peterson. Cowboys, Tony Romo. Panthers, Mike Tolbert. Philadelphia Eagles, Dress for Success. Rookie jersey, Nick Foles. Devon Wiley, Chiefs rookie. Bills, Scott Chandler. Darren Sproles, Saints. Kellen Winslow Jr., Seahawks. Steelers, Ben Roethlisberger. Freshman orientation, Michael Floyd. Jersey, Cardinals. Courtney Upshaw, Ravens. Robert Meacham, Chargers. Ahmed Bradshaw, Giants. Antonio Gates, Chargers. Chris Johnson, Titans. Rams, Chris Givens, Dress for Success, Jersey. Packers, rookie, Nick Perry. Cowboys, Des Bryant. And the last pack, Calvin Johnson, Lions. Michael Turner, Falcons. Steve Jackson, Rams. Vikings, Dress for Success, Jarius Wright, Jersey. Vikings again, Matt Khalil. Patriots, Aaron Hernandez. Thank you everybody for bidding. Please check out my other eBay box breaks. Currently listed for football box breaks. 2012 Topps Triple Threads, 2012 Panini Prime Signature, and 2012 Absolute Memorabilia. For basketball box breaks, the brand new 2012, 2013 Panini Limited.